Hello guys, let's start the tutorial. Before you use that action, you need to make sure that your version is English. So how you can find it, you have to go into the settings or in the preferences, then go into the interface. Then you need to make sure that UI language is English, so mine is English, so that's fine. After that you need to go into the image, then mode, and here you need to make sure that the mode is RGB and 8-bit channel. That's it. Then what you need to know is that that action will automatically make your image size 2000 pixel width, so the width will be 2000 pixel automatically. And you can see my image size is right now 8000 and something, and the resolution is 300. So the resolution need to be it will be 300, the resolution will automatically be 300, but the image size will be 2000, automatically shrink to the 2000. So let's see how it will work. So you need to load that action. So how you can do that, you need to go here in the action menu, and if your action is not here, you have to go into the window, then click on action, then it will show up here. So you have to load the action. So go here and load action, then select the action, then it will be shown in here. So if you click on the cartoon effect volume 1, that action, if I play it, then you can see that there is a pop-up and it is saying that, like, please select the object selection tool and select the object or the person. So click on stop, then zoom it, or zoom a little bit, then select the object selection tool from here. So we will just select here the object and it will automatically select the object. Okay, after the selection, then you have to play the action again. Click play, and you can see the effect is done. So it's already the effect is here, so you can see the effect, right? So what you can do, if you don't like the background, so you can actually change the background from here. It is totally adjustable. So double click on that, choose whatever color you want to choose. You can pick from here, or so this is how it works. And there are some adjustment panels from where you actually can increase or decrease the vibrance, and you can adjust the levels and stuff like that. So that's it. I hope you will enjoy using that action. Thanks.